G'day, you rip roaring Bonds Beauty Mobile legends, Uncle Joey Jojo. I got a couple of statements and questions about why I'm posting lifting weight on my building channel. Well, it is extremely important to learn technique. And when, as a tradesperson, the number one tool is our mind, second most important tool is our body. When I was doing my time as an apprentice and through the years of being a tradie, we are expected to go and lift big, heavy things. One of the most important things that I've learned over the years, especially training with huge strength coach Matt Nicholson, other people, like Zach, G'day Matty and Zach. You guys are amazing at teaching us how to lift things on site, from the gym to being on site and getting the most of our body. We want that longevity and to look totally hot like Uncle Jojo and stay awesome.